Good morning. Happy Monday, scholars. Whoa. Oh my gosh. You look just like a teacher. But you're a scholar, right? Oh, don't trick me again, scholars. You look so awesome in all your teacher outfits. Please send pictures and videos of you working really hard in your teacher outfits and all week, this Spirit Week. Don't forget that all week we will have fun dress-up days just for you. So please keep participating and staying engaged. I love to see all your outfits. Before we get started, I have a few Zern shout-outs. These are just DePaul scholars. I will do UC scholars at the end of my video, so stay tuned. Caleb White and Jordan Dougal both completed 7 lessons on Zern last week. Skylar March completed 8. Leonardo completed 19. Robert completed 13. And Derek completed 10 lessons on Zern. Way to go, scholars. You are working so hard. Let's get started. Today you are looking at Module 6, Lesson 3. Your page looks like this. We are going to start reading on the word Cohen. So go ahead and get out your packet and make sure you have your packet and your pencil. And when you are ready, press play. We're reading on 2, 1, 2. Cohen has 14 more apple slices than Peter. Oops. Sorry. Peter has 13 apple slices. How many apple slices does Cohen have? Great, so on this page, we are going to solve on our own. So you're going to pause and solve on your own and press play when you're done. Okay, now that you solved on your own, let's solve together. For this problem, I first need to mark it up, just like we do every other problem. So I'm going to take my pencil, and I see that right here, it says 14, but not only 14, it says 14 more. And that word is really important, so I'm going to underline it and circle the number 14. We know that Peter has 13. So to solve this problem, I'm going to use a double tape diagram. What tool am I going to use to solve this problem? Shout it out now. That's right, I'm going to use a double tape diagram. To make a double tape diagram, first I need to start with the part that I know. I need to start with the part that I need to start with the part that I know. So I know that Peter has 13 apple slices. That is definitely something that I know from this problem. Inside of the box that I drew for Peter, I'm going to write inside of the box the number 13, because that's how many Peter has. And I'm going to label it with the letter P for Peter. That's right. Great. Now I need to figure out the part that I don't know. So let's go back to our problem. Let's read the first sentence of the problem together. Starts with the word Cohen. Your finger is in the text. You're reading on 2, 1, 2. Cohen has 14 more apple slices than Peter. Okay, in my double tape diagram, I know that Peter has 13. Cohen has 14 more than that. So I'm going to draw the part that we know that Cohen has, which is the same amount as Peter, plus 14 more. So now I'm going to add a part on to show 14 more. So that tells me that Cohen has the same amount as Peter, that's 13, and an additional 14 as well. And I'm going to label this whole tape down here K for Cohen. Great. Now let's use a number sentence to solve how many apple slices Cohen has. Okay, let's write our number sentence down here. So we're looking for the total number of apple slices that Cohen has. If I'm looking for the total, I'm going to use an addition number sentence. What type of number sentence am I going to use if I'm looking for the total? That's right, I'm going to use an addition number sentence. So let's write it now. I know that Cohen has 13 plus 14 more, and that gives us some number there. Now on your page, you can use the add 10 way or the make 10 way. That's totally up to you. But I'm going to solve using the add 10 way. So first, I'm going to break up my smaller number into a part of 10. Oops, that doesn't look very nice. Into a part of 10 and then the ones. If I take out 10 from 13, I know that my ones left is 3. I'm going to add the 10 and the bigger number together. 14 plus 10 more is 24. I know because 1 10 is 10, and adding another 10 to that would be 2 10s, which is 20, 24. Now 24 plus 3 more is 24, 25, 26, 27. My total is 27. That means Cohen has 27 apple slices. On your page, you must have a double tape diagram. That is what this right here is called. This is called a double tape diagram, and you need one on your page. So if you don't have it, fix your page now and get this on there. If you do have it, let's keep going. So today, we are going to be talking about tens and ones again. Right now, you don't need to look at the page, and I'm going to stop looking at the page myself, and we're going to go over a couple of numbers together. So first, the first number on your page is 47. It looks like this. Oops. It looks like this, 47. Now, this number is a little bit sneaky. It's hiding a 0. I'm going to break up this number into a part of tens and ones, and I want you to tell me if you can figure out the tens and ones before I show you. Say the two numbers that make up the tens and the ones out loud right now. So go ahead and tell me the tens and ones and 47. I'm listening, go. That's right. Let's see if you got it. Ta-da! The tens is 40 and the ones is 7. So if we're looking at this number, we have a 4 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. That tells me that we have 40 plus 7. Go ahead and write that in your place value chart now. You're not going to write it in your place value chart just yet. First, you're going to draw 47 or 40 and 7 using quick tens and ones. So go ahead and pause and draw 40 and 7 or 47 using quick tens and ones. Go. Nice job. Now that you did it on your own, let's do it together real quick. So if I'm going to draw 47, I know that I need 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks. Why did I draw 4 10 sticks? Say it. That's right, because 4 tenths is equal to 40, which is this number right here. Now I need to draw my ones. I'm going to draw 7 ones because that is what we have. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job. Now we can fill in our place value chart. How many tens did we draw? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write 4. And we know that we drew 7 ones. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Great. Now let's do the next one. The next number is 57. The next number is good. So 57 looks like this. But I need to break up this number into tens and ones. Shout it out right now what the tens are in this number. The tens are good. The ones are good. Let's double check and see if you got it right. The tens are the number 50. So there are 5 tens, which is equal to the number 50 in this number. And there are 7 ones. So when we break up 57 into tens and ones, we get 50 plus 7. Draw 50 and 7 ones using quick tens and ones on your page now. Nice job. You did it on your own. Let's do it together. To draw 50, I'm going to need to use some 10 sticks. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sticks. I drew 5 10 sticks because I have 5 tens. Now let's draw the ones. We're drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Nice job. How many tens did we draw? We drew blank tens. How many tens did we draw? That's right, we drew 5 tens. How many ones did we draw? That's right, we drew 7 ones. I didn't write 7 right there. Nice job. Those were really challenging and you worked through those really well. Now let's go on to the bottom of this page. So the next 3 numbers that we're looking at are here. I want you to draw each of these. So what you're going to do first is you're going to draw the number that it shows here. Then you're going to fill in your place value chart. So for the next 3, draw using quick tens and ones, then fill in the place value chart. Nice job. You did it on your own, so now let's solve together. This first number that I see here is 67. For 67, I know that if I break it up into tens and ones, I need to think about it first. So I have the number 67. Now I need to break it up into tens and ones. How many tens is in the number 67? Shout it out now. That's right, there are 6 tens. How many ones are in the number 67? That's right, there are 7 ones. So when we break up 67 into tens and ones, we get 60 and 7. Nice job. Let's draw that on our page now. So on our page, we are going to draw 1, 2, 3. We start over, sorry, scholars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and you know it, 7 ones. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fill in your place value chart. We have 6 tens and 7 ones. Let's do 86 together. 86. If I broke it up into tens and ones, I would have 80 and 6. Let's draw it. I'm going to draw 80 first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That means we have 8 tens, and 6 ones. Make sure your paper looks just like mine. I'm moving on to the last one. The last one, the number is 93. So let's break up 93 into tens and ones first in my head. If I did that, I would get 90 and 3. So I need to draw 90 using quick tens and ones. It looks like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's draw 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. I have 9 tens and 3 ones. Nice job. Make sure you got this on your page. Now let's look at this box together. We are going to do the top 2 boxes together, then it's your independent practice. So I'm looking at this one and this one. First thing that we are going to do is find the total number of cubes that we have in our picture. So I need to count all of these cubes and write it here. Let's start counting. We have 10, 20. Wait, pause. Why am I counting by tens? Why don't I count it 1, 2, 3? Go ahead and shout out your answer now. I'm listening. That's right, because these are 10, 6, so we count by tens. We count by, nice job. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Keep that number in your head. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. That means we have a total of 97 cubes. In the tens place, I need to figure out what number goes there and what number goes in the ones place. If I broke up a 97 into 2 parts, one part of tens and one part of ones, I would get the number 90 and 7. How many tens are in the number 90? That's right, there are 9 tens and 7 ones. Nice job. Now let's do the other one. We're going to count all our cubes first. So we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Keep that number in your head. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So we know that we have a total of 59. Now, if we were going to break up 59 into 2 parts of tens and ones, we would have 50 and 9. How many tens are in the number 50? 5. And there are 9 ones. The rest of this page and the following pages are your independent practice. Before you go, I have some UC shout-outs. These are scholars who did an awesome job on CERN last week in UC. Caden Adams had 9 lessons, Maishan completed 7 lessons, and Charles and Rashawn both completed 6 lessons. Keep it up, scholars. You are doing such an awesome job. I cannot wait to see all the hard work that you continue to do. Do not forget that this week is Spirit Week, and tomorrow is Tie-Dye Day. Tuesday is Tie-Dye Day. So make sure you're wearing your best tie-dye clothes, and I can't wait to see pictures of you working hard. Bye, scholars.